Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're seeing gold making a slight comeback after the drop that we've witnessed over $70 in the last few trading sessions. This was on the back of positive CPI data where a lot of analysts think that the Fed won't have another rate hike before the end of the year. The Fed's next meeting is on December the 13th, which makes it not so far away before we get some signals or more information about where the American economy is going to go. Obviously, we'll have non-farm payroll numbers before that period, so it'll be interesting to see if the Fed is thinking of another hike or if it will pause until the new year, and if rates will stay higher for longer, and also have we hit a terminal rate in that sense as well. So 22-year high on interest rates, but we're just seeing now inflation slightly cooling even further towards 3%. So will we get to the target of 2% anytime soon? We'll have to wait and see. But in the meantime, a lot of analysts and economists have priced in that there will not be another rate hike. This is why we've seen a bit of a jump on gold, over $10 since the announcement. So we're just seeing now from the lower regions of 1940 going to the high regions of 1960, so roughly $25 to $30 jump there in just a few trading sessions. So nicely weighted on the yellow metal. Will we get back up to 2000? Probably not anytime soon. Analysts are still seeing that there could be a slight correction in the gold market, so we'll just wait and see if that's going to come into fruition. But on the daily chart, it's looking nicely positive. Obviously, we've had this kind of choppy bounce. If we look from the last swing low, so we've had this choppy price action now. Will we get back up to 2000? We're expecting another slight correction, roughly about the 1975 area, and this will give us more of a signal where to go next. As you can see here, there was always this kind of retracement on the RSI going to happen, but on the 4-hour chart, it's a little bit more interesting because we're seeing now, if we just remove these particular drawings that we just did, we're just seeing this choppy price action now really starting to take effect. And as I said, we are expecting possibly around the 1975 handle to have another correction, but we'll wait and see. Obviously, there are not many big fundamental news events coming out. Initial jobless claims later today. We've got some building permits coming out from America tomorrow. Nothing really to shake the market. So we'll see if that actually has any technical ability in the meantime. So speaking of the meantime, we're just looking to see if the dollar index is going to recover from the drop down. As I said, the fact that the Fed are probably not going to hike rates until next year. We saw over $1 shift from the index, but since then we've had a slight positivity and a slight bounce back, but this is more clearer on the intraday chart, on the 4-hour chart at least. Excuse me, we're just seeing now where is the next move for the American dollar. Well, on the euro dollar, pound dollar, it has actually been sinking quite significantly against its main competitors. And obviously the dollar index does make up almost 60% for the euro in its makeup as well. So as you can see here, really big sharp drop, which was expected. But if we look on the overall 4-hour picture, we're just seeing wave after wave of movements and corrections. So are we going to have possibly a little bit of resistance at the 105 area before dropping down even further? Obviously, we'll have to wait and see. But at the moment, very oversold on the RSI and most of the stochastics as well. So let me know what you think. Gold, is it going to hit 2000 anytime soon? The chances are probably not, but we have had more surprises in the market than this. So we'll wait and see if we have any kind of moves and signals to the upside. As usual, we'll keep you posted on our YouTube and Telegram channels. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time around. Bye for now.